Hello and welcome to our channel.
In this video, I will teach you how to change Gmail ID in your phone. This is a very simple process. Follow these simple steps to be able to do it. So to change your Gmail ID, first of all, open Play Store. Now tap on profile icon. Slide down the profile. Now tap on add another account. Now you have to fill your details or simply create a new account. Follow all the process and make sure to put correct data. Follow my lead to see how. You can see what I'm doing here. And done. That's how you do it.
I hope you found this video helpful.
Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.
Thank you for watching.